Good morning, Bitcoin gladiators. This is Drew coming at you with the morning market report for April 27th. I had a video posted a few minutes ago, but for some odd reason, people were reporting that I'm trying to show a chart of the XRP and it wasn't even there. So I'd taken a look and it was true. It was weird because on my screen it was showing it, but on yours it wasn't. So I'm gonna do this again. So basically, what's happening is we're gonna start with the Bitcoin. And we're beginning to see that it's losing a little bit of momentum. Although we are still in a bulls market, but with regards to the value of it, it seems that pretty much all the money to be pumped in to keep this level is exhausting. So once that happens, we begin to see the price starts to go down, as we can see already the change. So I'm expecting this to retest this strong support here at 53,000. And we're hoping that it's going to rebound and to go up to around 58 to 60,000. But before that's going to happen, it has to cross 55,300. So that's what we're looking at. So when we're trading here, we are concerned and we do look at all the indicators, but the most important part is these crucial buying in positions. So it's very important for us to use these as confirmation pricing, so we know exactly if we're going to be positioning ourselves going long or going short. Kudos to those who have been following my trade all the way from down here and has locked profits right over here. And so now we've started another position here going here, but right now it's really struggling to pass this. It's very crucial for us to pass this resistant, especially in the 24-hour time frame. We want to see the candle close above this to save the bulls. But if the bulls lose, then it's going to close here. And once that happens, I would buy a position myself. I'm going to position myself again going short because it's going to go down again. But these are the supports that we're going to look at as it begins to go down. Now, why is this so important even though the movements aren't very much? Well, for one, it's a stable coin, which over time it adds up. So on an average, it's about 200% return on your money if you put your money in this over the course of the year, which is pretty good. Secondly, whatever happens in the Bitcoin will determine the other coins. So if this is not going to cross, then moving on to the XRP, we're going to have a problem. As we can see already, it's already twisting. So with my indicators, I'm beginning to see that something not good is beginning to take place because it's reacting to Bitcoin that's exhausting here. So we're going to begin to see this position as far as going long diminish fairly quickly here. And so with that said, I'm going to take a look here and see where we're at this point. So kind of explain of what's going on. We're beginning to see a twist here, which is a bad sign, which means the amount of money that is needed, billions of dollars to have it from a dollar, which kudos to you that followed my trade here and locked profits here. It's already exhausted too, as you can see here with regards to the RSI. Once it hits this, it's going to start coming down, which, I mean, if you look at here, the math doesn't lie. So as we can take a look here, it hit the exhaustion level here, and now look at it plummeted all the way down, which this is how I trade. I take a look at here, I put a short position going here, wait for it to go to its low. Once it hit its low, fairly simple, we go back up. You know, when we did this, it was a dollar, and we've gained almost 50%, which I locked in my profits once it hit about almost $1.50. But with that said, we're waiting for this to come back down. But if it does pass this resistance right here and it goes to about $1.50, then what's going to happen is it's gonna retest this at almost $2. So then we're going to switch and go to a long position. But at this moment, because it's already twisting, we're going to anticipate this to begin to plummet once again. So despite the news, despite whatever is going on, I'm just really looking at the mathematics of it all. We're gonna see a lot of profit here, what we want to see is we want it to go here and then here and then here and then here, because imagine this is a 50% spread right here. So for those who are going to be going short and it goes down 50, then we've made another 50% on our money, and then we do it all over again. I mean, I wish I could do this forever, but eventually once it passes either the price of 99, it's going to plummet down to like 40 cents. If it's going to cross this, then it's going to go up to about $2 and then 3. So this is how we make our money. I try to make it really simple here, just to show you what I do. I try to also keep the videos less than like 6 minutes or so, because time is money, and I want to make sure that I'm keeping an eye on this. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe, and if you don't like what you see, hit the subscribe and let me know what you think. But if you take a look at my previous videos, it's very exciting because there are many Bitcoin gladiators on the team that have been um, yielding astronomical profits. Just alone here, I have a guy that had made over $230,000 from here going here. Because like here at Bitcoin gladiators, we really just want to know 3 points: where to buy, where to sell, and where to lock in profits. So if you can do those 3 things, you're going to do very well. Other than that, I'll talk to you again after about 3 o'clock p.m. Mountain Time, to take a look to see where it's going, because things can change right away. I mean, we could have this understanding, and then Elon Musk can pump in another how many billions into whatever it is, and this is going to skyrocket. So we want to make sure that we're always on top of it. And so I do 3 videos every day. Other than that, hit that subscribe. If you like what you hear, let me know what you think. If you don't like what you see, also hit subscribe and tell me what you're thinking. Again, we're a team. We're working together, and at the end of the day, if you know where you're going, you know your destination. We'll talk to you midday.